Hey everybody, welcome back to Mini Bike Mike's Garage. So I want to do a quick update video on the Smoky Dollhouse slash Happy Cottage slash never-ending project that I've got going on. I put a few videos up and you guys have been kind of following along. We bought a house our daughter bought a house and some property, and we've been renovating it, and I can't remember now. This is maybe video 4 or something like that. And today marks the end of 11 weeks. We've been working on this house since we bought it. She bought it on May 12th, and we started right in. And we put some progress videos up. I'll maybe put some links to those videos in the description so you can go back and see where we started and where what we did and how we got to what you're going to see here in just a second. But I do appreciate you following along. And so you know what, I wasn't going to include anything from the exterior, but in case you're new and don't want to go back and watch the old videos, I'll start with the exterior first. So one of the first things we did was went around and we moved some windows and rearranged some rooms on the inside. And once we got all the windows replaced and moved to where we wanted them, my daughter and my wife painted the exterior of the house, and it's kind of a light blue with some darker blue trim. And it's all, she has some touch-up work. She went through the guttering, but the siding and the windows, I think, are done. I think still gonna repaint the front door. But let's take you inside and show you what we got. Back you guys up here. Well, we have walls and we have flooring. Still don't have paint on all the walls, but all the drywall is finished. We have flooring in probably 95% of the house. So we just came in the front door. This wall used to be closed off. All it had was an opening right here. We took the wall down and installed a beam in an earlier video. So I don't have all the kitchen cabinets ready. This empty spot right here, we misordered. We need an 18-inch wide cabinet and we got a 21-inch wide cabinet. We did some misfiguring. Obviously these are not the finished countertops. I just threw that on there so that while they come and measure for the solid surface tops, and that's gonna be a few weeks. So I just threw something on there so that we could set our cold drinks and make sandwiches and those sorts of things on there if we needed to. None of the appliances are hooked up except for the microwave is operational. Refrigerator. I don't have the crown molding on top. Well, this one I don't because I don't even have the cabinet, but don't have the crown molding yet on that. I may need to adjust them, but they'll eventually get crown molding like that. That door just goes down to the basement. This is in the kitchen looking back toward the living room. In case anybody has any, ask about the flooring, this is what we're using. I don't know if that's the brand. 22 mil, high traffic. Really good stuff. Comes with the backer, and it's fairly thick, but it has gone down pretty easy, no complaints, and we are covering the whole entire house in the same flooring. So living room, I'm in the kitchen, walk down the hallway. Let me back up just a second, show you. I don't think I showed so cabinets, pantry, stuff she has there. This will be a storage, or like a closet type storage space, and then this is a half bath. It's all basically plumbed, but no, not installed. I'm gonna wait for her to paint all that, but it's got a pocket door for privacy there. And then doorway here, which leads into like the master suite. This is just one bedroom, one bath. So she's went with kind of a, what is that, like a plum. Now I haven't trimmed out any of the flooring, the windows. I still got weeks worth of work to do, even though we are 11 weeks in. So none of this stuff is trimmed out or the base trim. But this is the master bedroom, and then this goes into the master bath slash closet slash laundry. The stackable washing machine and dryer here actually go around the corner into this location, but I don't have the flooring done here. As you can see, I ran out of staples. Actually, I ordered more staples. They got delivered today, but I forgot to change the delivery address. They went to my house an hour away and not here where I'm working. So I got everything done, and I've got stapled about halfway up. And so I need to finish that, finish the flooring, then move the washing machine and dryer over there. Still running the utility sink for right now. That is the vanity and the custom cast Marble Works top. They will go where this little utility sink is, but I didn't get it done today. I still need to put the lighting up. I did get the shower installed, and it came from the same as the top in there, the vanity top. It's all solid surface. This is probably a good 1/4 inch thick. The back wall was 1/2 inch thick. It was heavy. And then, so we had a solid pan and then 3 walls that got glued to the exterior walls. So, toilet. But there you go. So I got a little bit of flooring to do. Hook up all the appliances, trim out everything. Still have to hook up the dishwasher. I don't even know if she has a sink base yet here, but still have to do all that. But anyway, just wanted to give a quick update to the Happy Cottage. So hope you enjoy, and I'll post videos in another 2 or 3 weeks when I get a little more done. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks.